Good morning, everyone. I'm Sarana Kumar. I'm doing PhD in Sunshine National University. Today, I'm going to take environmental-based Paprika growth forecast at field scale using linear regression and a machine learning model. Objective: the objective of this paper approach of machine learning for paprika growth protection in greenhouse agriculture, we are to investigate the correlation among the various weather parameters like inside temperature and outside temperature, wind speed, dry air, and CO2 and humidity. Here the related to the paprika growth at the field level and set growth data using the predictive machine learning model, support vector machine, random forest, gradient boosting machine, and extreme gradient boosting. These models only for using this paper for predicting user. Why are we using this model means these models analyzing the each and every one data analyzing each and every one data is analyzed. This model introduction. In this research, we have the using the greenhouse paprika growth data in the year 2019-2020 9-month data. This paprika data correlation among various variance weather parameter like input temperature and output temperature, wind speed, dry air and CO2 and humidity or etc. In the study focused on analyzing and predicting of paprika growth production using leaf growth and with environmental factors using the machine learning models. We applied here two different row planting and then compared one to other. Finally, in this result and decision, we will show your best predicting of paprika growth and correlation of growth, leaf growth and the environmental factors. Which environmental factor most important for this paper depends on leaf growth. This paper using linear regression model for the production related the contribute gives a comparatively accurate solutions. The why using this linear regression model means just analyzing for this comparison, which the almost linear regression model is a good predicting model because we got just the comparison that. Nevertheless, the process requires the environmental factor selections, this creating the time overwhelming, and the SVM models would be best performing the paprika of leaf growth and a leaf width level. The relationship between the sensor supported features and the paprika growth, then the other processes throughout the computing machine learning sensor based rules for the estimating development of related to contribute have reached bright result. The subjects fields has the two issues. First one, the models are the attemptable to training data. They get the sensor data until the field consider the randomness caused by the nonlinear data and calculate the environmental is investigable, which aim they impact the sensor data separation of and contribute estimations extension. These are potentially reducing the quality. The second one, the models rely on manual training and testing data, planted the characteristics, which have the large produced comparison complementations, and generally the quality of the solution non-linear data set equality of poor. They should analyze the more workable and stronger overview. These Piperica growth data getting the autumn and the winter season time period. In this more than consider the leaf growth level because that depends on temperature. Operating and leaf growth screen system is connected to greenhouse changes in the rotating time and minimum temperature measure, and harvesting salrooms using the system sensor. Then the protection nighttime minimum temperature measured than above the 0 degrees Celsius. Then the outdoor temperature is the night reached about the 3 degrees Celsius. The indoor temperature is remaining equally of the high heater than 8 degrees Celsius because the temperature is stronger during the work time. Changing the affects the plastic screen. This paper is to the success the best calculating of the growth related contribute of empirical leaf growth and ML model. An ML model is using the models as the relationship between the greenhouse empirical leaf and the environmental corresponding growth related traits. The using was SVM, RF, Forest, GBM and XGB. This picture I will using how to using the sensor data in greenhouse, how to manipulate the server selection, and which what type of data analyzing models you have to suggestion, the data model comparison, data manipulation, and models like algorithms, the context manager, the output algorithms, and finally we have the database and the rule RUSL rules knowledge based, and finally we have to tool modification, the best predicting of process, the which factors are which best predicting on this paper. You have to find out them. The material and small methods. The first one, the models was developed by the comparing and identifying the relationship between the different variants. In the study, we focused mainly on Piperica growth, leaf growth, intake prediction. The model's development is identifying by the following steps. First one is the linear regression produced analyzing on the independent variables to find out the relationship between the dependent and the independent variable. So the context organization of the analyzing the find out with the input and output contrast quantity have maximum applied the machine learning importance on the factors. Forecast on the forecast of the leaf growth during the training data 2020. We find that the greenhouse environmental created the maximum Piperica correlation to coefficient and minimum error value simplification coefficient and p value. You can find that. Resultant discussion. Implementing machine learning of SVM, GPM, RF and XGP. Row 1. Row 1 means R1. Equally to the methods of the solution got by the linear regression model, the same article at the same article size of day and night time interval the data collection. The best value of correlation coefficient was 0.91 is the linear regression, but as well as same process SVM can be get best value in the correlation coefficient of 0.91. Otherwise is compared with GBM, the minimum performance. The correlation coefficient is 0.84 and 0.60, and this because the minimum performance of based on consecutive the process in data series forecast talks, and then compare it to XGB and random forest. XGB is a coefficient of value 0.77 and 0.660. So compare with 0.76 and 0.59. Maximum is both are same similar. The in which because the incomplete SEM sometimes measure the R1 row planting using XGB and RF data error input layers. In the SVM, finally, the SVM showed the maximal variables compared to different ML models with to show that the highest best performance of SVM. In this result, we have shown training R1 result, model of training result. We have to use MEAE value, RMSE value, R square value. The MEAE value is FCM and RMSE is both are the most high sequence, but R square is the least. The GBM and XGB and random forest is both are everyone's RMS MEAP and RMSE is low values, but R square value is very high. But comparatively 0.95%. But the otherwise square error loss. Square error loss is a blue line is an interval just 0. But prediction value is not perfectly not good for the blue line. But overall we have to see R1 result not but performance is low. This is the best R1 best performance. The best other one, let's go to compare with R2. We can show that I can show that I will show that R1 row planting in the comparison of with R2 prediction plus within the knowledge of machine learning models to gain control of the best value R2 row planting. The SVM was the only ML model as a comparative with the gain of the patterns. Outmatching all the ML models, the coefficient and correlation coefficient 0.87 and 0.60, and the best correlation coefficient was 0.91 with 9 R2 row planting. With the highly variation quality to the previous R1 factors forecast. The SVM can be dedicate few of the pick patterns of fielding out in the slide time periods. The GBM and XGP issues a sliding level relative quality in this forecast from correlation coefficient of 0.880 and 0.64. Then this is a prediction dataset. Preparation of dataset. The training data make it XGP is low error accuracy of prediction, and the ML follow the outsplitted of the superfilled ML models. So the forecast values are to 0.42. As well as same training data is R2 result. Training data is comparing with SVM is the most of best RMAP, RMSA, RME, the least of R square value, but compare with R square values otherwise random forest or GBM is R square value is more than high compared with, but overall wise we have to use SVM is the best performance, and otherwise the issue in the square error loss is a blue line is estimated blue line is not 0 in the predicting values related decision relations is a very good coefficient values of the blue line is the R2 result. Overall is comparing with previous R1, this one is the best performing this result. And then The performance predicting Viperica using the machine learning models. The performance criteria values utilized to the evaluated of performance of the machine learning models in this prediction and of bonding strong value of present in table 1 and R1 and table 2 is R2. Table 1 and table 2 is both are different row values. The table 1 we have using training data and validation data, same as well as same training data and using validation data. I've just built it, and then you have to using this SPM and GBM, XGP and random forest. So it's a commonly have to see this see the data table. Compare with table 2 is a RMC value, MEP value, R square values, as well as same validation data set also comparatively is a more than high performance. It's good for high performance and good protection of this during this R2 values. This moreover R2 value is the most environment data and leaf code with the data is more than sync and best performing and best protection of this one, and compared with R1 is a little bit some low, but compared with no problems everyone do same as well as a good protection of as well as doing the as the values demonstrate as the SPM efficiency generator sensitivity result has been the certification accuracy of the reliable rate models bonding strong of the leaf width and growth exposure of the different process of the treatment of conditions. Next, the SPM models are defined by the heavy accurate on the and the quality of accepted data set. SVM models overcomes all the ML models attempted by the produced the best prediction of R2 row planting. Finally, this machine learning model is the best active of the SVM models for the leaf growth using environmental in Paprika. Their two highest degree best fitting the model from the models with has the minimum error values prediction, then the analyzing the critic data exposure explosions the best fitting data set. Also evaluated out was the analyzing of the autocorrelation and the RMSE value. This building on the analyzing on the linear models that using most best fitting model for the reasoning and training data sets, calculating the environmental data from which they are developing in Paprika. Conclusion: this study is based on this result of the based on SPM model is the best predicting in Paprika growth protection data. The machine learning models are the efficient approach for the efficiently signification the Paprika growth input intensity of FIT, leaf growth and explaining. This relationship between the greenhouse paprika using intensity of environmental factors, they do the appear to them quantitative estimated contribution of respective of the paprika land and using intensity of the input temperature, output temperature, wind speed, dew point, and CO2 and humidity, because they are the only based on this extent of the statistical certification in this analyzing data. Our future results will be focused on understanding greenhouse day and night time energy usage. We are increasing the growth of the paprika. Finally, thank you so much for everything. Thanks for all. Thanks for all.